What's the meaning of barter? Barter. Barter.
Barter. Barter. Barter is a type of trade where goods or services are exchanged directly without the use of money. It was one of the earliest forms of commerce, dating back to ancient civilizations. In a barter system, each party brings something of value to the table and exchanges it for something they need. Bartering can still occur today in certain situations, such as between individuals or small businesses. While bartering can be a useful way to acquire goods or services without using money, it can also be difficult to determine an equal exchange of value. Currency and market economies have largely replaced bartering as the primary means of trade in modern society.